Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you step by step on how to write a professional and well-crafted acceptance letter. Acceptance letters are essential for formally confirming a job offer, admission or proposal, and they set the tone for your relationship with the recipient. We'll break down each part of the letter, focusing on the purpose of every paragraph, and I'll share tips to help you make the best impression. Let's get started. Sender's information. Begin with your full name, address, email, and phone number at the top of the letter. For example, John Doe, 123 Maple Street, Anytown, California, 90210. John Doe at example.com, 555-1234-567. This section introduces you as the sender and ensures the recipient knows how to contact you. Always double-check these details to avoid communication mishaps. Date. Write the date 2 months ahead. For example, if today were March 23rd, you would write May 23rd, 2025. The date is an essential timestamp for formal correspondence and ensures clarity in your communication timeline. Recipient's details. Below the date, add the recipient's full name, title, organization, and address. For instance, Jane Smith, Human Resources Manager. Tech Innovations Incorporated, 456 Oak Avenue, Metropolis, New York, 10101. This section personalizes the letter by directly addressing the intended recipient. Accuracy is key, so confirm the recipient's title and name in advance. Subject. Use a clear and concise subject line. For example, acceptance of job offer. A well-written subject line instantly communicates the letter's purpose, making it easier for the recipient to reference. Salutation. Start with a respectful salutation, such as, "Dear Ms. Smith," politeness sets the tone for the rest of your letter, making a positive first impression. Paragraph 1. Formal acceptance. The opening paragraph communicates your acceptance and enthusiasm. For example, "I am writing to formally accept your job offer for the position of software developer at Tech Innovations, Inc. I am thrilled to have the opportunity to contribute to your innovative projects and join such a dynamic team." This paragraph is straightforward yet impactful. It clearly states your acceptance while expressing genuine excitement. This sets a professional yet positive tone, reassuring the recipient of your enthusiasm. Be specific about what you're accepting and mention the role or institution by name. Your excitement should feel authentic and tailored to the opportunity. Paragraph 2. Gratitude and commitment. The second paragraph emphasizes gratitude and commitment to the role. Here's an example. "Thank you for the confidence you have shown in me. I am particularly excited about the opportunity to work on cutting-edge technology and collaborate with a team renowned for its creativity and expertise. I assure you of my dedication to upholding the high standards and values of your organization." This section highlights your appreciation for the offer while reaffirming your readiness to contribute. Gratitude creates a positive impression and strengthens your professional relationship with the recipient. Reference specific aspects of the offer that excite you, such as the company's mission or unique opportunities. Tailoring your gratitude shows that you've carefully considered the role. Paragraph 3. Key details. In the third paragraph, confirm important details to avoid any misunderstandings. For instance, as discussed, I understand that my start date will be May 1st, 2025. Additionally, my role will include a comprehensive training program during the first month, as outlined in our conversation. Please let me know if there are any forms or documents I need to complete before then. This part ensures both parties are on the same page regarding logistical details. It also demonstrates your attentiveness and preparedness. If there are any areas of uncertainty, politely seek clarification in this section. A proactive approach shows professionalism and responsibility. Paragraph 4. Final gratitude and enthusiasm. The final paragraph reinforces your appreciation and excitement. You could write, "Once again, thank you for this wonderful opportunity. I am eager to begin this new chapter with Tech Innovations, Inc. and contribute meaningfully to the success of your team. Please feel free to contact me at 55-5123-4567 or JOHNDOE at example.com if further communication is needed." This closing paragraph leaves a lasting impression by combining gratitude with optimism. It also ensures the recipient has your contact details readily available. Use this section to leave a warm and enthusiastic tone. A strong conclusion solidifies the positive impression you've built throughout the letter. Closing. End your letter with a professional closing, like this. Sincerely, John Doe. A formal closing reinforces the letter's professional tone and concludes it neatly. And that's how you write an acceptance letter. By following this structured approach, you'll create a professional, positive, and memorable letter. Each paragraph has a purpose, from confirming your decision to expressing gratitude and clarifying details. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please like this video, subscribe to Writing Practices for more writing tips, and share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Writing an acceptance letter is your first step toward an exciting new chapter, so make it count. See you in the next video.